Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing store. I have previously shared this store with you, but today we are looking at something very specific and seasonal. So today we are looking at Christmas decorations at Target. So this store is located at Danielson Road at Winter Garden, Florida. So here we are inside the store and they have dedicated one entire part of the store to the Christmas decorations and all the Christmas supplies, along with the gift wrapping and gift bags and anything you need for the Christmas party or your gifts. So everything is in one section. So here you can see they have dedicated a few aisles here, and you can see they have decorations, little Christmas trees, and they have lights here as well. They have a lot of ornaments, and they have stockings here as well. So I'll be showing you as much as I could. As you know, the season, because of the Christmas season and Thanksgiving season, the stores get real busy at this point of the year. So it's a little difficult to get through people, but I tried my best. So here they have some pillows for your Christmas home decorations. It says North Pole tree farm and locally grown Christmas tree. So the little cushions, and they have some gifts there as well. And on the other side you can see they have some lights here. Kids were having a lot of fun. So those little lights were priced at $5, which was a pretty good price. And those are little lights, and you can see in the back they have some Christmas trees. So these Christmas trees are fake Christmas trees. Like, everyone does not want to have real trees in their home. So if you don't want one, you can just get a fake one and you can decorate it however you like. So they have some here, and they have some more trees here. So you can buy a whole box, and you can see they have the boxes here that you can take with you and decorate at home. And they have some more Christmas trees on this side as well. So you can see how nicely they have arranged the store. Every season they just switch this part of the store to the season or any holiday which is coming. And you can see they have a lot of ornaments and a lot of those Christmas balls to hang on your Christmas tree. They have different colors, different styles, and some of them are in multicolors, which is amazing. So here you can get a whole packaging and take home and decorate your tree. And on that wall behind they have a lot of ornaments. So let's have a look at some ornaments. So you can see these are all the ornaments for the Christmas tree, which are very cute. And they have some more of them here. They have some wall hangings and some more of those Christmas balls with different colors, and some of them are multicolors like I said, and these are bigger packagings like the other one. So here on this wall they have lights. So they have lights if you want to hang on lights yourself, and they have connectors and extensions, everything that you need for the decoration of your home from inside or outdoors. And I will show you some more of the decorations. So here they have some more of these outdoor decorations for Christmas that people like to place at the front of their home. So you can see they have they have Frosty, they have reindeer, and there's some more in the boxes down there. So they were really nice and very cute, and they were all sparkly. And you can see they have some more on this side as well. And that tree was my favorite. It was like sparkly and it was very simple, so I really liked it. So Target also have some holiday candy as well. And in this aisle they have a lot of stockings. So they have some decorations as well as stockings. So each stocking was priced at $15. So they have a lot of options to choose from, a lot of different designs, and this whole aisle is dedicated to that. And some of them has a letter on it, so if you want to get the one with your name, You can get that as well, the first letter of your name, which I think is great. And as we turn from here, they have a whole section for candy. I did not go inside because it was quite busy, but here you can see they have some everything is red and green. So peppermint is the flavor of Christmas and holidays, so everything, most of your candies will come in peppermint flavors. Either it's Ghirardelli or just your Hershey's or Kisses. Everything comes out in different flavors during holidays. So you can see this whole section in the middle is candies, and in the back this whole section is dedicated to Christmas and holiday candies and gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread is another flavor of Thanksgiving. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I will be sharing more such videos with you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.